How to blend photos on Canva. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can blend photos on Canva. So first, you need to go ahead, open Canva application, or you can also go to the website, which is canva.com. Log into your account, tap on the create in the top right corner of your screen, and select any design that you want to go for. From this page, go ahead and select the apps section, which is below the projects option. Now search for image blender. You'll get various different options in this section over here. Now select any image blender app. Go ahead and open it. In this app, you'll get two different sections of bottom layer and top layer. So go ahead, choose the bottom layer first. Once you've chosen it, go ahead, select the top layer. And once you've done both, go ahead and select the blend mode like multiply, darken, and there are a lot different options that you can go for. Select according to your preference and then tap on add to design option, which is in the bottom of the screen, and it will be added to your design board. If you want to edit the blend mode, go ahead, select the blend mode and tap on add to design option, and you'll get a new design according to your preference. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.